I'm Umesh Sandu. I'm director in Sandu Pharmaceuticals Ltd. We are one of the pioneers in the manufacturing of Ayurvedic medicines. We are based out of Pilerne for the last 25 years. We started commercial production in the year 1997, and till date we have been manufacturing consistently and continuously quality medicines at our Pilerne plant.
So, what are the problems you face in Pilerne IDC?
See, whenever any entrepreneur or an industry is put in an industrial estate, the basic requirements are three. One is water, another is garbage, then it is power. Unfortunately, for the last 25 years, neither we have got water, because typically our industry or my industry requires about 50,000 liters of water per day. We get from IDC hardly about between 5 and 7,000 liters. We have got a borewell, which is, I am very happy and proud to say that it is one of the registered borewells in the state of Goa. We do a lot of water harvesting at our facility, and it is really worth watching from any aspect. We do a rainwater harvesting of nearly 2 crore liters per annum. Our daily consumption is about 50,000 liters, and our yearly consumption of water is about 1 crore 50 lakh liters. So in all, instead of taking from nature, we are giving it back to nature. We are recycling the plant. We are recycling whatever water we are generating over here, wastewater. And overall, from IDC per day, we are getting not more than 5 to 7,000 liters of water against our requirement of 50,000 liters. The power situation in Pilerne Industrial Estate specifically is not good or a healthy one. My connected load is at 101 kVA. The problem starts occurring from the month of June, when the first rains hit us, and it is at that time, because of the poor maintenance done by the electricity department. Again, no complaint, but I am telling you what the factual position is. So it results into the power gets tripped on and off. Even though we are a high tension consumer or a unit, the power fluctuation is phenomenal. We have various power fluctuating gadgets which are there, but still the machines tend to get spoiled, and we hardly, the power situation in the month of June till the monsoon is very bad. Then again in the month of December, when this peak tourist season starts, the electricity is diverted from industrial estate, specifically Pilerne, because from here you have got Kalangut, Sinkeri and Baga belt. So the entire industrial, the power earmark for industrial estate is diverted over there. So as a industry requiring bare minimum power, we are put to very great hardships. As a company, we have a 250 kVA DG generation set, electricity generating set. But it is like we are wasting national resources by burning that diesel to generate electricity. So in the long run, what we expect is that the electrification should be done by underground cabling, and at least we should be assured of the minimum power which has been sanctioned to us. That is our requirement, and that is what we expect.
You are one of the major industry in the industrial estate. So you worked in the shift, various shifts like first shift, second shift. So any security issues do you all face?
Fortunately, we do not face any security issue as such, because that way Goa is safe. People generally are very good over here. But we have a problem that transport is a major issue. It's a major hassle. As a result, it's very difficult for a person to come who doesn't have a vehicle to work in second shift. Plus, we have taken rooms down in the Saligaon village, etc. But otherwise, for a person to work in second shift and go from here to his residence becomes impossible. Now, this running of second shift itself is so difficult. So the question of running a third shift, even though if I would want and I would love to run it in third shift, is physically and practically just not possible because of the basic ground level operating problems. So if the government, because the more we produce, the more we can sell, the more we sell, the more GST revenue we can get into the government and to the state. But unfortunately, Because of these ground level problems, we are unable to run in properly in second as well as in third shift.
What are the other problems you face?
We are having garbage collection or garbage disposal is a major problem in Pilerne Industrial Estate. There is no demarcated clear policy as to who is going to collect the garbage. It is each one has to fend for himself. So the situation is not good. Like food generation. So what we do is that we are using the leftover food for doing vermicomposting and for doing composting activity. But not everyone is geared to do that particular level. So the three aspects which are actually affecting Pilerne Industrial Estate is water, power and garbage. These are the three primary things which are actually affecting the growth. Further, there is another important thing is that we were told and we are being told that there is going to be a Pilerne Industrial Estate phase 2. As a company, as a unit, we would definitely like to expand over here wherein we can generate more employment. I am happy and proud to say that we employ only Goans over here because we trust their honesty, their dedication. But if that second phase, the land, adequate resources are not provided by the government, as a industry, we may have to look at going out of Goa once again, which we will definitely not want to. So my appeal to the government will be that if there is a plan to have a Pilerne Industrial Estate phase 2, if it is done at the earliest, it is always better. It will help everyone and it will help the state to prosper. As you are aware that unfortunately in Pilerne Industrial Estate there was one of the major, as our Honorable Chief Minister has said, one of the worst industrial disasters in the recent times. As a company, we have got our own fire system, but it is expected that with growing urbanization and various related factors, the government and the fire department should have a office set up. But fortunately for Pilerne, just outside the Pilerne Industrial Estate, they have got the fire department has got their own facility. So to that extent, as a company or as an industrial estate, we are better off. Other industrial estates may not be as better off or as lucky as we are. But I think on that front, Pilerne Industrial Estate is much better because we have got the fire department which is just outside the industrial estate. So that way, as a company, we are slightly better off.